Pinano po ito, and for today's video guys, I will show you my decoration here in my living room, and hopefully guys na magustuhan niyo po siya. Guys, makikita niyo po sa paligid ng aking living room is napaka-white niya po. Super white niya po. Ayan. So, ito po yung mga DIY na ginawa ko last year at saka yung this year yung mga paper lantern. At iyan na yung magiging hanging decoration ko. Yung curtain ko pala is yung fabric niya napaka-heavy. Ito po yung velvets na fabric niya. And nagustuhan ko po siya kasi yung design niya, so magbabagay dito sa living room ko. Although white nga po siya, so naging puro white na lang nandito lahat. So it's challenging kung paano ko siya i-balance. At ito na nga guys, gagamit po tayo nito. Pieces para maging ang gagawin po natin guys is magiging look cohesive dito. Bali yung pag-arrange po natin ng color na kailangan balance siya. So I'm gonna use some usually my theme for this year is this one, these pillows. I bought these two from IKEA, and since there have only two, so I have to balance it. That's gonna be like, and then probably this one I try. Yeah. So usually guys, you go for the dark color and then the lighter. But if you have white and then you're gonna use the other color, the contrast color. The next one guys, I will put the other side in here. this one. Let's see. Yeah. And I'm gonna have the lighter color. Probably this one, maybe. Or yeah, either it's enough this one, and I'm gonna put in here just to have a little contrast. So it's gonna be mixed like with this one and this one. Yeah. Okay guys, meron na po siyang pillowcases this side. So the next po yung side dito sa kabilaan. So yeah. For this side guys, I use this plaid again. Usually I can use the gray one, but it's not so look cohesive if I do that. So maybe I go for it this side. So let's see. I'm gonna put like this and just to cover a little bit like that. Yeah, it's no need to be perfect. It's okay to be. Probably gonna use this side first. So it's gonna be like to segregate the colors, just to be balanced. Ayan. Nosebleed si Madam. Pasensya na po kayo guys. Nahihirapan po kasi akong ano yun sa Tagalog. Minsan, hindi ko alam bakit. May mga word kasi hindi ko maisip. So, pasensya na kayo sa aking English sa Carabao. Ayan. So far, so good. I'm not really happy for that white because it's like they're not balanced in. So, I probably use maybe this one. Okay. Yeah. And the other side, parang mayroong mayroon po siyang kunting I don't know, there's something wrong here this side. Let's see if I'm gonna use this one. Yeah. And okay. And it looks even better. So I think I'm gonna go for that pillows. Ayan guys, na-balance ko na siya yung mga throw pillows ko. So okay na po siya. Nagkaroon na po siya ng kulay dito. Since I have mostly hair in this area. Napaka-white niya po. White. So, parang winter wonderland. So, kailangan natin ng kulay. So, the centerpiece of this is the Christmas tree. It's a greenery, and yeah, the good one is they have this one, because or else it's gonna be even more whiter. And I have some gift here just to look. I have to balance the red color in like this, because this is one and this one my centerpiece in my table. I had last time a big rectangles, what do you call that, a tree, but I think this is for too large, so I make this one instead. But I'm not so happy for this, because this looks like leaning in the side. But in a way, it's okay lang yan. Okay na yan siya. So, yeah. And then the excess pillows, guys, I'm not gonna use over more pillows that because it's gonna be too much. So, I'm gonna take that away. Yeah. Yes. Or maybe this one, I'm gonna put it in my, see. For this corner, guys, if I'm gonna use this one, this blanket, I don't know what they called it. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna put it here in this side. In this side, yeah, just cover up like that. So, no need to be perfect in a way. I think, let's see. So,